Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here we from Group 2. Want to explain about speaking. Understanding of speaking. Speaking can be defined as a speaking activity, where the speaking activity is a speaking in English. It stems from the origin of the word. The word speaking comes from the word, namely, speak is to express opinion, to say, to converse. So, speak here is a way of issuing or expressing opinions, words that we want to express. That is the meaning of speaking in a simple terms and the origin of the word from speaking. But in a broad sense, speaking has a considerable scope in our life. Every day, many people in the world express their opinion so that we can listen, conclude, and also take an attitude from what they say. Speaking difficulties are usually caused by E. It is difficult to express idea verbally or speaking. B. Limited vocabulary. C. Limited grammar skill, so it's difficult to speak with the correct rules. D. Limited pronunciation of words or pronunciation, so it's hard to say the word which he pronounces correctly. E. A. Lack of the courage to speak out for fear of being wrong. In addition, there are factors that can be used in the linguistic aspect, namely E. Speech accuracy or pronunciation. B. Emphasis or placement of notes and their appropriate duration. C. Choice of words. D. The accuracy of the target conversation.
Assertions that can frame speaking. A. Increase vocabulary. Before we master communication and English grammar, we must have a vocabulary that is said every day in conversation. Here we know and master a lack of vocabulary to help us much. It will be difficult if we don't have the selected foundation of basic vocabulary that it usually is said in everyday life. B. Read a lot. Reading English a lot not only develops pronunciation skills, but also plays a role in improving grammar and vocabulary listening skill as well. Learning English by reading. Okay. C. Know simple English grammar. Grammar in English may be difficult of us to master imperfectly, but we actually don't have a better learning grammar or English grammar in more detail. The important thing is that we have a basic understanding of English grammar that becomes our capital to develop English language skill at a higher level. Example of a sample grammar that we can learn are about nouns, verbs, to be, adjective, adverb, personal pronouns, simple tense, such as simple present tense, continuous tense, past tense, future tenses, and so on. Now a little about basic grammar is a non-capital for us to develop future skills. Okay, D. Reading the written English. What is meant by reading here is that we like books, reading storybooks, short story, novels, comics, megamas, newspaper, and other in English. The habit of reading English that or reading will make us familiar, and we can understand and enjoy the story or content or text message later. In addition, we can fill now vocabulary so that we can increase our English vocabulary. Reading does have to be forget, but our own were nice and we enjoyed it.
Hi Sarah, what are you doing here?
Oh, Hadijah, I just read some books.
How often do you go to the library, Sarah?
Wait, I remember first. How about you?
Actually, I really visit the library. You?
I visit the library at least 3 times a week.
What kind of book do you like to read?
I like comedy book very much. I usually read it in the afternoon and in the evening after studying.
Wow, next habit.
How do you do?
How do you do?
What's your name?
My name is Suhermi. What's your name?
My name is Deviani. You can call me Devi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Devi, where you come from?
I come from Medan and you?
I come from Aceh.
Oh wow! As long as you're far away, it turns out.
Well, that is just it is.
Consultation speaking activity can be defined as speaking activity where the speaking activity is speaking English. So speaker is why expressing or expressing opinions what do we want to express. Speaking difficult are actually Cosby. It is difficult to express the verbally speaking. B. Limited vocabulary. C. Limited grammar skills, so it is difficult to speak with the correlate. D. Limited pronunciation of word pronunciation, so it is hard to say the word here we pronounce correlate. Expresses the hand in for speaking. A. Expand vocabulary. B. Read art. C. Know English grammar. D. Reading the read English.
For beginners in learning English, it's good to be brave in learning to speak. And don't be afraid to be work with what is backside a long way. Still have the intention and try to want to, so it's not possible to learn English.